Hello friends! Today, we are going to draw this beautiful elephant together. Grab your paper and colors. Let's get started. Welcome to Tiny Hands Art. Let's begin with the elephant's long trunk. Did you know? An elephant's trunk is like a big, bendy straw. They use it to drink water, pick up food, spray water, and even say hello to their friends. Now, let's draw the big floppy ears. Elephants have huge ears that help them stay cool. They flap them back and forth like a fan when it gets too hot. An elephant's trunk has over 40,000 muscles. That's why it's so strong and flexible. It can pick up a tiny peanut or pull down a big tree branch. Time to draw the big, round body. Elephants are the largest land animals in the world. They can be as heavy as a truck. Wow, that's huge! Let's give our elephant 4 strong legs. Even though elephants are so big, they can walk very quietly. Can you believe that? You might not even hear them coming. A little tail at the back. Elephants use their tails to swat away pesky flies and bugs. Just like we wave our hands to shoo them away. It's coloring time. Elephants are usually gray, but you can make yours any color you like, maybe a blue elephant or a pink one too. Did you know? Elephants love to play in water and cover themselves in mud. The mud protects their skin from the hot sun, like nature's sunscreen. Elephants can swim. They use their trunks like a snorkel to breathe while swimming underwater. Love to eat. They can eat over 300 pounds, about 136 kilograms, of food every day, mostly grass, leaves, and fruits. Their tusks never stop growing. Just like our fingernails, an elephant's tusks keep growing throughout their life. Fun fact, baby elephants are called calves, and when they're born, they can weigh as much as a small car. Elephants are excellent listeners. They can hear sounds from far away, even from other elephants calling miles apart. Baby elephants suck their trunks. Just like human babies suck their thumbs. It makes them feel safe and happy. Elephants are very good friends. They live in families and love to help and care for one another. They can recognize themselves in a mirror. Not many animals can do that. It means they're very smart. Elephants take mud baths. They roll in mud to cool off and protect their skin from bug bites and the hot sun. Elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years. That's a very long time for an animal. Wow, our elephant looks fantastic. Great job, everyone. Thank you for drawing with me today.